AI isn't coming to work. Someday it's already here. And it's not some far-off sci-fi concept. It's quietly revolutionizing how we get things done every single day. Look around any modern office, and you'll see AI in action. It's the smart assistant that schedules your meetings, the software that flawlessly enters mountains of data, and the chatbot that provides instant answers to customer questions. This isn't just about convenience. It's about freeing us from repetitive tasks, reducing human error, and giving us back our most valuable resource, time. By automating the mundane, we can focus on what truly matters: innovation, strategy, and human connection. But AI's impact goes far beyond simple efficiency. It's becoming a powerful partner in creativity. Imagine editing a complex video project where the AI suggests the perfect cuts and transitions, or composing a piece